Layer panel, 2 layers, logo design and background layer. Down the background, opacity. Select the pen tool, click and move mouse to curve, straight, shift L to straight line to curve, click and shift L, shift L to straight to curve, make a curve shape. Click and move and Control L. Click and move the mouse. Control L to straight line to curve. Same as it is all shape type. Color the fill black. Complete the path and send to back. Change colors gray. Layer panel. To change the background color, this background layer, make a shape, white color. Select the shape. Change the color gray. Path, dynamic offset. The node tool, this red point, to move this, changing the shape, changing color, send to back and send to front, one step front, and change the size, offset. That's it. Little bit big. Change color, send to front. Path and different C, same as it is second shape. Click path and different C.